What's up my stylish people, this is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel. You guys have asked me to do a budget white sneaker video under 2000 rupees and here you go. The best part with this video, I am not going to cheap out on the quality and also on any of the brands. You are going to see only the reputed brands. It's very easy for me to make a video of white sneakers under 1000 rupees and I get so many views guys, but that's not my intention. I would like to suggest you guys which actually offers quality and which can actually improve your style game. Also, a quick disclaimer before going into the video. This video is all about suggesting the best white sneaker because I do not have each and every sneaker which I'm talking about in this video. But I can suggest you guys based on my prior experience with that specific brand and also in general my total experience on the footwear. Starting with the budget sneaker number 1. Puma have this white sneaker called Smash B2. It is one of the cleanest sneaker you can get. Yes, there would be a little color on top of the backside upper heel portion just like the Adidas Stan Smiths, but that looks cool. The remaining part of the sneaker is as clean as possible. Even the Puma branding, it is color matched with the sneaker if you go for the sneaker suggested with the links in the description below. As of shooting this video, the sneaker is priced at 3499 rupees and please do note guys, the prices may vary and I'm gonna show you guys the prices as of shooting this video. Sometimes you may get it for less and sometimes you may get it for more. Having said that, these are priced at 3499 rupees. As of now, they are priced at 2000 rupees. Sometimes during the sale times, even you can get it at a much reduced price points. If you guys don't know, Puma are one of the best in class when it comes to the comfort of the sneakers. And why I picked this sneaker, Puma have the other versions of the sneakers as well. But when it comes to the comfort of the sneakers, few of the sneakers only they have this soft foam insole. This is one of the sneaker which have that. That's the reason I picked this sneaker rather than going with the other sneaker which is priced at 1800 rupees after discount. So that is a point to consider. Moving on to the budget white sneaker number 2. It's a super popular sneaker. It's a Converse high top white sneakers, also called as Converse Chucks or Chuck Taylors, depending on what you're familiar with. So these are the high top sneakers. In case if you want a low top also, I do have an alternative for the low top. Don't go for the plain canvas low top sneakers from Converse because low tops generally don't look as good as the high tops when it comes to the Converse Chucks. That way to buy the Converse high tops in order not to get a replica or a copy or a fake shoes. I would recommend to go for Agio because in Agio you can trust them, you get the original products guys, that's for sure. And also we do have other websites such as wedgenonveg.com, but there you will not get discounts most often than not. That's why I would recommend Agio, and these are priced at 2800 rupees, but as of shooting this video they are priced at 1600 rupees. 1600 rupees for Converse Chucks, and on top of that you can apply the card discount as well. If you get them at anywhere around 1200 to 1300, that's going to be one of the best sneakers. In case if you're not a big fan of the high top sneakers, there is this Converse low top sneaker which is having a little bit of color blocking with the star of the Converse. It's not super clean like the Converse high top sneaker. This sneaker is also from one of the biggest brand you can find in the sneakers or sneaker games, Nike. Yes, Nike Air Force 1 I recommended in the 7 best sneakers video. In case if you want the same vibe with the Nike sneakers but don't want to spend 7500, there is an alternative which looks almost similar or at least which gives that vibe of the sneaker. That's the Nike Court Vision low top shoes. These are actually priced at 5000 rupees, but as of shooting this video, they are available at a price point of 2400. Yes, these are the sneakers which are just above the 2000 rupees price point, but if you apply the card discount, you may get it at a price point of 2250. If you are a big fan of Nike or if you want the highest quality which Nike offers, and also these do have the optimum comfort as well, these could be one of the best sneaker you can own. Moving on to the best budget white sneaker number 4. It is from H&M. Yes, H&M is not exactly a brand which manufactures only shoes, but they do have one of the best quality sneakers. Yes, if you go to the premium range, you get even better quality, but I want to consider that most of the times H&M sneakers would be out of stock or may not be discounted all the time throughout the year. So I have included a version which is actually priced at 2000 rupees in retail and it's available in stores as well. This is also one of the cleanest sneaker you can buy. Yes, it do have some detailing on the back upper side heel portion which adds to the vibe as well, but most of the sneaker is super clean, and this is one of the best option to go at 2000 in case if you don't want to consider any sales, if you want to buy during any point throughout the year. However, in case if you want to consider the sales, in case if you find the H&M premium sneakers which are generally priced at 4,500, generally during sale times at least they will be discounted 50%, and if you apply the card discount in Myntra, you may get it at a price point of 2000 rupees. Those are also the options to consider. All the products I'm talking about, I will leave the links in the description below. Moving on to the budget white sneaker number 5. It is from a brand called United Colors of Benetton, also called as UCB. These are the panel lace-up sneakers. If you guys don't know, UCB also offers wide variety when it comes to the footwear. Yes, often each and every piece of footwear they offer may not be superb in terms of quality, but few of the sneakers actually they nail it when it comes to the design and also at the price points they offer for. These are the low top sneakers and they are priced very fairly at 3,700 rupees at the time of shooting this video. They are available at a crazy price point of 1,512 rupees. Except for the Converse sneakers, all the sneakers mentioned in this video are either made of PU leather or genuine leather in few of the cases. This one is made of PU leather sneaker. PU leather sneaker is also easy to clean and easy to maintain. Moving on to the next budget white sneakers, it is from Red Tape. Red Tape is one of the brand for the footwear. Generally, I would not recommend. If you go for the lower quality options in Red Tape, which are priced somewhere around 3,000 rupees and discounted heavily to 800 or 700 rupees. However, there are few of the footwear pieces which are of premium quality as well. And this is one of the white sneaker which have gone through, which may be of good quality. It is priced at 5,500 rupees and this is available at 2,000 rupees as of shooting this video. What I like the most in this particular sneaker would be the gum soles. It gives altogether a different vibe, and also the sneaker is super clean, guys. In case if you couldn't find any of the above options, this you can consider it as an alternative, guys. I would not recommend this to go as your first option. Moving on to the last budget white sneaker I would recommend is from Adidas. Adidas Originals, I feel that they have one of the best in class quality when it comes to the sneakers, and also the sneakers are a throwback kind of a classic sneakers. But however, this video is all about budget, and for the white sneakers, these are the options which look exactly like the Stan Smiths, without Stan Smith's branding, of course. These are the Adidas Men's Advantage Base Leather Tennis Shoes. Yes, it's a long name, but that's the name of the sneaker. These are priced at 5,000 rupees. Yes, these are not priced anything at a price point of 3,000 or 4,000 rupees. But what I can see most of the times during each and every sale, generally these will be discounted heavily at least to 50 to 60%. So you can find the sneaker during the sale times at a price point of 1,800 to 2,000 rupees. And the best part with this sneaker, the leather quality is superior and can be compared easily with the Nike sneakers which I mentioned in this video. That's the advantage which you get when you go for the reputed brands which offers only footwear in particular. I hope you guys like this video on the best budget white sneaker under 2,000 rupees for Indian men. If you did so, you know the drill. Like, share and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe, guys, in case if you haven't. That's it from me. See you guys next time.